It's so nice to not have to go over it with a brush or a comb because it does it all here. Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be doing my straightening routine. So I'm going to show you guys how I like to straighten my hair, the products I use to get it like really smooth and nice. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, but first don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I would love to have you come join me over on Instagram and Twitter if you're interested. You can also give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and let's get started. So I have my new favorite tool here to share with you guys. This is the box. I've already tried this out. I fell in love with it, and it is a straightening brush slash comb. Such a cool product. This is what it looks like on the inside. I repackaged everything nicely. You get the straightening brush, a little detangler, you get a glove, which is amazing, and some little clips to put your hair up, and then you also have like a dust bag in here. This is by the brand TYMO, and they are actually sponsoring today's video, which is so exciting. I'm telling you guys, I was so shocked when I tried this out at how well it actually ended up working. I'm never using a regular straightener again, and I'll explain why it's so great. First of all, you can find this on Amazon or on the TYMO website, which is great. I'll have both links down below. And I also have a discount code that they gave me to share with you guys. I think it's Tabitha25 for 25% off. And I'll have that on the screen and in the description box. So it says some things about it right here on the box. You have 5 temperature levels for different hair types. 60 seconds fast heat up, which yes, it heats up so fast. It's crazy. And then it turns off automatically after 30 minutes, which would kind of be a problem for me with other straighteners because I took so long to straighten my hair. But with this, it's so much faster because it's actually a brush slash comb and a straightener. And ever since I can remember, ever since I started straightening my hair, I always have to brush each section or comb and then go in with my straightener because my hair is so finicky. And to really get that heat to like smooth the hair out, I would have to like brush or comb each section, and with this, it does it all in one. Seriously life-changing for me. If you have textured hair, you probably know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let's get into the process. Take my hair down, and we'll use the detangler brush. It has like these crisscross bristles, which is great for actually doing a really good job at detangling. Next, we can't forget heat protectant. So the one I'm going to use is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This is such an amazing smoothing spray while also having that heat protectant. I talked about this in my last straightening video. I love this. Other things I do for prepping my hair when I straighten it is I really like to use light moisturizing products. So my shampoo, conditioner, sometimes a hair mask. I'll do like a light leave-in while my hair is still wet. It just works really well for me to use more moisturizing products so that my hair ends up being smoother. So I love that you get these little clips in here, and I'm gonna section my hair off. You don't want to use too much of that spray because I don't want my hair to be like greasy with product overload or anything. Once it's plugged in, I turn on the power button, turn the heat up to where you want it. There's little like white light bars here, and then there's a plus and a minus button, and you can change the settings based on that. So I'm gonna section off my hair, little tail up there. And then you have your little glove, which is amazing because I burnt my hand so many times when using heat tools, and it's a lot harder to do that with this, but I could have easily gone out and purchased a glove, and I never did. And with this, it's great because you don't have to worry about that. You just get it all with you in the box. So you don't have to worry if you're lazy and you don't go out and get extra things. I just put this on the hand that I'm not using the brush with. So that for me, that would be my left hand because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you would probably put it on your right hand. And then you just start with a small section and then it's heated up. So we're just gonna go straight in, start at the top and brush through. It's so nice to not have to go over it with a brush or a comb because it does it all here. like to like slightly flip under, nothing crazy, but I'll go over it and just kind of do that slight turn at the end. So that's why I do it from both angles, like this. And you can see it's kind of like a comb. It is technically a straightening brush, but it has those like separating sections like a comb.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess ducks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and march ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else.
Okay guys, so my camera ran out of space, but here we are. I finished my entire head of hair. I'm telling you guys, I am obsessed with this. This is my new favorite tool. It is so much faster, especially when I'm not filming and I'm like in the zone. It is the quickest way I've found to straighten my hair, and I don't have to go over my hair so many times like I do with a regular straightener, so I'm not putting so much heat on it over and over and over again. But I am going to do a last step here just to make sure everything is smooth. I'm going to use my IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Such a beautiful product for naturally wavy hair or straight hair. This is what it looks like. Do a little bit, rub it into my hands, and then just run my fingers through my hair. And there we have it. That is it. That is what I do when I want my hair to be sleek and smooth and straight. I apologize if there is loud traffic outside. It's always like that on this road. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to TYMO for sponsoring today's video. Super exciting. I'm really obsessed, you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. And you can also give the video a thumbs up if you ended up enjoying it. Love you guys, and thank you so much for your support.